In this video, let's see how to create a file and how to write a basic line of code in the Python and how to assign a value to a variable. So let's see. So how to create a file, Python file. Okay, just after installing Python Champ, you can get a window like this. Okay, just click on this project, right click on the project and click on new and click on Python file here, and you can give any name. Just I'm giving basic here. Okay, click on Python file. That's it. Your Python file is created and you are good to go. Yes. Okay. Your extension of Python is .py extension. Okay. So let's print a line saying that I am learning Python. Okay. So I want to print I am learning Python on the console. So I'm printing the line of control as saving and right click and run basic. Okay, see, I'm learning Python. It is printed on the console. Yes, we got it. Okay, then I want to assign a value to a variable. So how it will be assigned in different languages? Like if I assign in Java int, I have to give it data type, and then I will assign like this. But in Python, you cannot, like, you are not able to give the data type. It will Python will automatically think what type of data type the variable is, and it will give it. So just give a equal to 5, and indentation must follow, like you have to give a space here. Okay, and then print the variable. That's it. So control S, and you can use a shortcut control shift F10. Okay, see, 5 is printed here on the console. Okay, now I want to give string. So how to give a string in different languages? Like I will use string str equal to and channel, like that. Okay, but in Python, I have said that you need not to give any data type. So just give str equal to I am learning a knowledge. Okay, just print it. That's it. Control Shift F10. Okay, see here, I'm learning a knowledge. Okay, now I want to assign multiple data types at multiple times at the same time. Like I want to give only data type in a single line. Like see, B, suppose consider a variable B, comma C, comma D equal to, I will give data type 3, comma 5, comma, and I will give the string here. Suppose I want to give here I am good. Okay, you might be good, you might be not, but you're seeing my channel, so you're good, right? Okay, let's print the string of D. Okay, D. Okay, now control shift F10. I am good. So it is printed on the console. Very good. Okay, I want to print B. What is the data type? Integer data type. Okay, I want to print C here. What is the value? Control shift F10. See, 5 is printed here. What is the value in C? 5 is there. So that's it, guys. In further videos we will learn a lot more in Python. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.